Hey y'all, this is Keith with Bekaert. Van, today we are in a different setting.
Absolutely. This is not where we normally are in a pasture out on the fence line, Keith.
No, it's not. But we want to discuss some of the online resources that we have on fencing.bekaert.com. So on the website, you'll see a lot of specific videos, Van, and that has to do with what types of animals that you're going to contain and then product descriptions that we provide for you in those videos.
We've also got images of each of those products that will give you not only what it looks like in the roll at the dealer you go to, but also out in the field. So it gives you a really good idea of how that product's going to look when you get it home and get it installed on your place.
And when you decide what product you're going to put up, we have a fencing calculator that you can actually go in and map out your property lines and the lines that you want to fence. And that fencing calculator is outstanding. I use it on projects that I do.
I do too, Keith, because I really like to get that material list I need. And not only is it the fence and the Bekaert made products, but it's fence posts, the tools you need, everything you need. And you can use the dealer locator by putting in your local zip code, how many miles you want to go to, and it'll give you different options of dealers in your area that you can go visit.
So one of my favorite parts of the website, Van, is probably the how-to video section. The video zone is very good. We've worked tirelessly to be sure that we're very detailed in every aspect of fence building all the way across. Brace building, different types of braces, pipe, wood, installing high tensile smooth wire, woven wires, barbed wires. We've kind of done it all.
Absolutely, we have, Keith, and I like them because when I'm going through a project, if I'm building braces this week, I can go back, watch that video as a refresher course, go out, work on my braces, and then the next step. So you can really watch those as you go step to step through. We've also got some articles online as well, Keith, and it goes through different projects you may have, different types of grazing techniques, trellising, vineyards, animals, a lot of different, brings in different information for the project you're working on specifically, not always even fence related, but just a good tool, good resource there to look at.
The Ask the Fence Pro is another good resource on there, Van. If people have specific questions that they want to ask, they can ask those, and depending on what part of the country that you're in, those will go to you or I to answer. And we get back to those very quickly. So if you're in a hurry, there's also the frequently asked questions section where you can find something that you need to know right now.
Absolutely, Keith. And you know, if after looking at all these different tools we have, if you don't have the equipment you need or maybe the physical ability, we do have a contractor locator as well. And on that, all of those are certified contractors with Bekaert, so you can go in, punch in your zip code, and know you're getting a quality contractor come out and build your fence for you.
So guys, if you've got any questions, check out fencing.bekaert.com. You can find the answer to those questions at some specific part of that website, man.
Absolutely. And remember, Bekaert Fence, made in the USA. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.